Global Mapper Pro, a comprehensive geospatial software program, now supports Python scripting for workflow automation. Scripting in general is not new functionality in Global Mapper, as the proprietary text-based Global Mapper script has always been supported. With the new Python toolkit, users get the built-in automation of scripting within the universal framework of the Python programming language. With this new functionality, users can further automate processes and workflows in Global Mapper Pro and incorporate all of their favorite Python tools from third-party libraries. To utilize Python in Global Mapper, users need recent versions of both Global Mapper Pro and Python installed on their machines. When installing Global Mapper Pro, an option within Extra Downloads in the installer will add an embedded version of Python containing a minimal set of the required Python libraries. If Python 3.9 or newer is already installed, users can add the path to Global Mapper Pro to the Python path variable. The script editor dialog in the Global Mapper Pro interface is a great tool for editing both Global Mapper and Python scripts. Built-in syntax highlighting makes creating, reading, and editing scripts simple and easy, and once a script is ready to run or test, just hit the Run Script button to see the results. To use Global Mapper functions through a Python script, the Global Mapper module must be imported. Other modules can also be imported and used in Python scripts alongside Global Mapper. In this example, the popular third-party TK interface library is included to prompt the user for input and output files that are used in the Python script. Run through the Global Mapper Pro interface script editor. The checkbox option to run script in the context of the main view allows the script to utilize any loaded data in the workspace and will further populate the Global Mapper interface with any data layers imported or created by the Python script. In this example script, the TK interface library creates a dialog prompting the user to select data files since none are discovered in the open workspace. With a point cloud file selected and imported, the data is classified and a terrain model is generated using the identified ground points. The user is then prompted to save the model as a DEM. Since the run script in the context of main view option was enabled, the point cloud and generated terrain model are open in the workspace when the script completes and can be visually explored or further analyzed. Global Mapper Pro Python scripts can also be run outside of the application interface in a Python environment. With the Global Mapper install directory added to the standard Python path variable, a development IDE or the Windows command prompt with the standard Python interpreter can be used to execute a Python script. Running a script with either of these methods will access Global Mapper's functionality without the program interface open. In this script example, run from the command line, the user points to the Python script to begin running the script. The script processes utilizing Global Mapper and any other third-party tools in the background. When run from the Windows command prompt, progress dialogs indicate the progression of the script, and printed messages or errors are written to the standard output window. Python integration in Global Mapper Pro allows users to leverage the power of this affordable GIS tool in order to improve efficiency and automate geospatial workflows, saving time and money. On top of that, combining the diverse functionality of Global Mapper with the other Python-equipped tools and libraries expands the interoperability of these programs, meaning teams are not tied to a single GIS tool or data type. If you're interested in exploring Python in Global Mapper Pro, visit our website to download a free trial of Global Mapper Pro today.